So following on from the plan I'm going to try and make a hole down the length of the wing. I've got these little glass cutters, actually cut through glass. I've never tried it. I've glued it into this piece of dowel. So now I'm going to make a hole in the end of the wing and see if I can twist my way all the way down. So wish me luck. I'm going to cut an access panel right at the end here. There, cut that off, and I've cut a hole for the servo. It's going to go in here. And see how I'm going when I come to this rib. But I won't be able to change the angle as I go down. So let's just cut this panel off here. So I've made the decision to make an incision. Now I don't actually know if this is going to cut at all, so let's rest that one there. Got plenty of rib. I just go from there. It's got plenty of room, so let's just start cutting and see how I do. Okay, first one's the easy one. I've got the height. Yeah, now the dowel I've got is a very tight fit as well, so that should, in theory, just follow. I can see through the wing. I can't alter the angle of the hole, so all I can do is to, as I go down, I'm going to go off track. So it's important to get this as straight as I can at this stage. Always going too well. I could always make this hole a little bit bigger, and that would give me a little bit of end float. You know what I mean? I think it's going uphill slightly. Fingers are aching already. Only when I come across a rib that's got ply in it and I'm scuppered really. Aha. Okay. How's that look? Right, so the third hole, I'll just go into the open servo hole I've made and we'll see how it's going. If it's running uphill or downhill at all. Probably do with the dowel sanding a little bit. And there she is. just doing this to try and sand the edge of the ribs a little bit, just to make it easier to turn. Okay, here we go then. Here we go. Exciting, isn't it? It's only gone off track lengthwise. Started off about, well, down about power. It's gone about 1/4 of an inch down towards the trailing edge, but that's no problem at all. This is the one now. I just hope that this goes through, because if there's a plywood rib at that end, it'll go through, of course, but it's just going to take a lot more twisting. Just about through the first rib, looking at my mark, so that's good. Blimey, it's getting warm in here. Oh, that radiator's hot. Right, my pencil line's nearly there, so I'm going to slow down a little bit. So I'm through. It's rattling like a good one. Okay, I can't show you it through because I haven't cut the film off yet. The tool's reasonably warm. So there's the tool, look. It's just a 12mm glass cutter and super glued into the end of a bit of 12mm dowel. And Bob's is your uncle. I knew they'd come in handy one day. So there's the last rib. There's the plug I've taken out. And well, it's a little bit close to the bottom of the wing, actually. A bit closer than I thought. It's gone down more than it looked. It's actually about 1/16 of an inch from the bottom of the rib. And obviously as it goes up, this one up here is about 3/16, and that one down is about 1/16, so it's dropped about 1/8 of an inch as it's gone down through the wing. Nothing I could do about it, except it didn't look quite as close as that, but don't think it's going to cause me any problems. The rest of it's built so hard. Anyway, so that's how it's done. So all I've got to do is to patch in the wingtip again. There we are. I think that's quite successful, chaps. So thanks to the guys on the Radio Modeler forum for your ideas. But I think I've managed to do it. So I'm going to do the other one now. So if you like this video, go to my channel, subscribe, and you can keep up to date with the build. Cheers for now.